So here we are inside 1541, and it has most definitely the short version of the circuit board. Not everything is in a socket, but there's a lot of socketed things here, which of course makes it easier to check things out. It looks like the 6502 and the 6522s are indeed socketed. This chip is not. Now, here is an interesting thing. Here's this little circuit board with an extra little chip and a capacitor. And I don't believe I have seen one like that before. I don't think I have. Over here, of course, is the disk mechanism. And as it is one of the Neutronics ones, my experience and other things that I've read tell me that Neutronics ones, the head is more likely to fail than others. Even though I like the turn down better, that's the way it is. So here is the circuit. Now, the reason I suspected this had a newer circuit board in it is because when I put a disk in, the disk drive spun. And that, from what I have found, is only happening on these, on disk drive 1541s that have this little circuit board in them. And it does look like this is not something that somebody stuck in here, because there are, along the rail, there are no more screw holes. So this was made for this board. So they are basically all the same. They just got better at making things smaller. And I still don't know what that board is or why. I guess I will investigate. Anyway, the next thing I must do is to open up another drive and try using this circuit board with a different drive mechanism. And I think what's probably going to happen is that then everything will work and everything will read, and I will find that I have another bad Neutronics drive mechanism. I am suspecting, but we shall see. So here is a view, a close-up view inside a 1541 with a very small circuit board. The original circuit board on the original 1541 started basically here and went all the way to the front, the very front, like way up here. Like the rail had screw things right at the end. That was the original. So it looks to me that they have got it down to 50% of the size, which I'm sure means a few less components, or, you know, maybe the same components but packed in to a more efficient way of doing things. Anyway, so here we have the 1541 disk drive, and this one is not working. Not yet. Thank you for coming. Bye for now.